Over the years, education has evolved, influencing both educators and learners. Because of new educational techniques, technology, and cultural changes, their duties have changed. The primary source of knowledge in the past was the teacher, who enforced rigid discipline and rote learning. Education became more inflexible and less participatory due to lack of resources. Teachers now use technology and interactive teaching approaches to help students. They make learning more interesting by facilitating it through internet resources, multimedia, and teamwork. Teachers in the future will prioritize creativity and mentoring, personalizing instruction through the use of AI and virtual tools. Their responsibilities will change from teaching to guiding. With limited access to information, previous students had to rely on memorization. There was limited access to school and learning was passive. To take control of their education, today's students employ digital technologies, online courses, and collaborative approaches. These days, the ability to solve problems and learn on your own is crucial. AI and immersive technology will provide highly tailored instruction to students in the future. Maintaining a competitive and rapidly evolving environment will need lifelong learning. Education continues to evolve. While teaching and learning methods change, the goal remains the same: to empower individuals with knowledge and skills for the future.